Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes printer offline fix it fast on Windows PC, laptop. First method is change printers and scanners settings. Second method is change services settings. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.